Monkey, in general, any of nearly 200 species of tailed primate, with the exception of lemurs, tarsiers, and lorises. The presence of a tail, even if only a tiny nub, along with their narrow-chested bodies and other features of the skeleton, distinguishes monkeys from apes. Most monkeys have a short, relatively flat face without great prominence of the muzzle, although baboons and mandrills are notable exceptions. The vast majority of species live in tropical forests, where they move on all four limbs. All but the Duraculae of tropical Central and South America are active during the day, moving frequently in bands as they search for vegetation, birds' eggs, smaller animals, and insects to eat. Monkeys are capable of sitting upright, and, consequently, their hands are freed for many manipulative tasks. Except for a few Old World forms, monkeys are predominantly arboreal, leaping from limb to limb in their travels among the trees. Their hands and feet are both used for grasping and typically have 5 digits, the thumb and big toe being divergent from the others. Commonly, the digits have flattened nails, but the marmosets have claws on all digits except the big toe, which bears a nail. On the ground, monkeys walk with the entire sole of the foot touching the ground but with the palm of the hand raised. They almost never walk on 2 legs, bipedally, and can stand erect for only short periods, if at all. Monkeys have large brains and are known for their inquisitiveness and intelligence. Brain development, combined with the freeing of the hands and well-developed vision, allows them a great latitude of activity. Most are good at solving complex problems and learning from experience, but they do not quite reach the cognitive levels of great apes. Some, especially the capuchins, genus Cebus, spontaneously use objects as tools, for example, stones to crack nuts. Others, such as baboons, readily learn to use sticks to obtain food. However, in strong contrast to the great apes, gorillas, chimpanzees, and orangutans, most monkeys do not appear to be very good at learning from each other's experience. Individuals more or less have to learn new behaviors for themselves. A significant exception is the Japanese macaque, Macaque fuscata. In field experiments, these monkeys were introduced to new foods such as sweet potatoes and candies wrapped in paper. Once a few individuals had solved the problems of getting at the new foods, their innovations gradually spread throughout the troops. These experiments have had implications in redefining cultural behavior. Monkeys are highly social animals, and almost all live in troops consisting of several females with young and either a single male, as in Hamadryas baboons, mandrills, most gens, and most langurs, or several males, as in savanna baboons and macaques. Usually, but not universally, the females stay in the troop in which they were born and are thus closely related to each other. Males join new troops on maturity, and so they are unrelated to each other and somewhat antagonistic. Like humans and apes, female monkeys nurse their young and have a menstrual cycle, albeit less copious. In some species, sexual activity is strictly confined to the period around ovulation, estrus. In others, there appears to be little or no restriction. Some species breed all year round, others have a period several months long. New World monkeys live primarily in tropical South America, especially the Amazon rainforests. The range of a few species extends northward as far as southern Mexico or southward into northern Argentina. Among the smaller New World forms that have endeared themselves to humans with their antics and their mobility are the alert marmosets, often tufted and colorfully arranged, and the inquisitive squirrel, woolly, and capuchin monkeys, all of which exhibit in marked degree the curiosity and cleverness ascribed to monkeys generally. Larger New World species include the acrobatic spider monkeys and the noisy howlers. Other New World monkeys include uacaris, sakis, and titis. Because of the ecological niches that they occupy are similar, there are many parallels between Old and New World monkeys. In particular, the squirrel monkeys, genus Saimiri, of the New World and the telepoint, genus Myopithecus, of West Central Africa are remarkably convergent. Both are small, about 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, and greenish, live in large troops along rivers, and breed seasonally. Other aspects of each group's evolution, however, are unique. No New World monkey lives on the savanna or has a multi-chambered cellulose fermenting stomach, and no Old World monkey is nocturnal like the Dhenuculli. The closest analog to the complex society of the spider monkey is found not in an Old World monkey but in the chimpanzee.